Writing high quality blog content is not everyone's cup of tea. If you want to write a better blog post and high quality articles, you need to be an expert at writing, right? Well, if you think so, you need to think again. Because after watching this video, you will be able to create better blog articles even if you are not good at writing. Hey digital learners, Rahul here from learndigitalwithrahul.com, and in today's video, you will learn some blog writing tips to write better blog articles even if you are not good at writing. But before you get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel and tap on the bell icon. That way you won't miss any future updates. Alright, now let's learn how to write better blog articles even if you are not good at writing. The number one blog writing tip that will help you write better blog articles is start writing. I know this sounds funny, but I can't stress enough how crucial it is. Just like you can't become a good swimmer without swimming, similarly you can't become a better writer without writing. So stop thinking much and get started writing. And if you need help in writing your first blog article, I have already created a video earlier. Make sure you watch that. Second blog writing tip that will help you write better blog posts is read as many blog articles as you can. The more you read, the more you will learn. And by the way, don't just read, but also analyze and learn copywriting hacks like how those articles are started, formatted, and concluded. That way you will be able to learn and implement those blog writing strategies into your blog writing. Third blog writing tip that will help you write better blog articles is write more often. Just like reading blog articles, you can only become a better writer by writing more blog articles. So set a minimum word count limit for yourself and start writing every day, no matter even if it's 200 words every day. Because if you do something every day, it becomes your habit, and when you are habitual of writing, you will quickly become better at writing. Fourth blog writing tip that will help you write better blog articles is do your research before you start writing. When I started writing blog articles, I used to spend many hours writing a blog article that was hardly even 1000 words. I was spending more time researching than writing. If you also find yourself to be a very slow writer, maybe you are spending your writing time in research or something that you shouldn't do while writing a blog post. So the next time you write a blog article, do your research beforehand and then start writing. That way you will be able to create more content in less time, and this will eventually help you write blog posts faster. Fifth blog writing tip that will help you write better blog articles is write without distractions. And when I say distractions, I don't mean you need to lock yourself in a silent room with no one disturbing you. Come on, you shouldn't be so rude to yourself. Activating D&D on your phone or computer is good, but play some background music and enjoy writing, because writing is fun and that's how it should be. However, when I say write without distractions, what I mean is when you are writing, all you need to do is write. Don't edit, don't add blog images, don't think about SEO, and nothing else. Everything will wait and you can do that later. Sixth blog writing tip that will help you write better blog articles is don't use complex words. Most writers think that they need to write a high quality article by using complex words in their writing, but that's not how blog writing is. People read blogs because they need something easier to understand than their academic books, and that's what your goal should be. When reading a blog post, no one keeps a vocabulary to find the meaning of complex words. So stop using complex words in your writing and make it so simple that even a 5th standard kid can easily understand your writing. Last but not least, the 7th blog writing tip that will help you write better blog articles is be an interesting writer. One of the easiest ways to avoid being boring while writing a blog article is use I and you in your blog articles. Write in a conversational tone as if you are talking to one person sitting before you. When you do so, the people reading your blog article will find your blog articles to be interesting as if you are talking to them. So that's all about how to write better blog articles even if you are not good at writing. If your writing sucks, no problem. Simply follow these blog writing tips and you will be able to become a better blog writer and write better blog content. By the way, if you are new to blog writing, download your free blog writing checklist by visiting the link in the description below. And if you are watching this on Instagram, you will find all the links in my bio. Before I go, question of the day. Which blog writing tips you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends. That way you can help more people learn. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to answer. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay motivated, stay creative and feel proud to be #digital learner.